regular 2 3/4 inch bird shot.
Okay, let me get it on this side.
Oh,
Nope. Right there?
Like
okay. Alright.
You good?
I'm good.
Oh, that's not too bad at all. That's not too bad at all. But without holding it forward, it wanted to auto eject. Hey, how's it? Oh, well, I mean, you know how it's going. There's Tiana and I. So we're out again today, but we kind of felt like just a different change of area. We went a little bit down ways and found this open area right here, surrounded by trees. Hope you enjoy the video. So today I'd like to try out different sizes of barrel lengths when it comes to shotguns. I just finished making a couple of shorts. So I got small length, a couple of medium lengths, and a full length, like a 8.5 inch, and a couple of 12 inches, and then a 16.5 inch. These headphones are real neat. Make sure it's clear. What I'd like to do first is, I love my little one, this little guy, this Brazilian hiker. Right here, it's a Boito.
Beautiful.
And that's the model right there. The trigger guard is how you open it. Let's see spread. This is just regular number 3 bird shot. Low brasses don't really matter to me. So this one, the way that it works is you have to take the safety off and then you can pull the hammer back. For spread, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go for the left side of this cardboard here. Wrecked them. Let's go take a look. Super crunchy, snow is crunchy. Okay. So this is the damage. Put that back in. This is just the regular bird shot from that distance. Quite a spread. Definitely at least 16 inches wide when it comes to spread. Not very far away. I'm only 20 feet away, if that. Gonna go with this one again. Gonna go for the same one again, but I'm gonna send buckshot through it this time. Regular 2 3/4 inch buckshot. I love this gun. This is my favorite. All right, so I'm gonna go for that left side again, because bigger holes will mean buckshot. Whew. I'm glad it stayed up this time. My breath makes me feel like it got colder. Go take a look. Same distance. 4 hit. That's okay. I'm okay with that. I'm not actually too sure how many BBs are in them buckshots. I'll have to actually take a look and read the box. You filming?
I am.
Alright, and then because I can, I got myself a 2 3/4 inch slug. Same spot. I'm assuming you know exactly what's going to happen. Big hole. Woo. Wrecked him. That's it right there, the big one. Exactly what I thought it would do. Right through. Hey, let's I don't know, blow one up, I suppose, with buckshot. I'm gonna stand right there and see if I can't hit the blue jug and the metal behind it.
Okay. Think so.
I definitely hit the jug somewhat. I'm gonna do it again. You see what I tried to do there? That's the one. peppered him. Put a hole in him there. He's still good to go. I did hit the green one. It's bubbling. The spread was too intense. I gotta blast it real quick. Hurry! Do it with this guy. I'm gonna load up 2 buckshots in this one. Ready to go? Oh. You see that? I'm actually not too bad at shooting like this. This is how I'm aiming, like side of the barrel. Go check out the damage. That was cool. Oh, so much running back and forth. Yeah. Buckshot, that'll do it. Hit my plate, that was cool. Okay. This guy, who kind of just showed up unannounced. This?
Uh-oh.
This is my Winchester Defender. There's nothing in it. On the barrel here.
Very nice.
Out of breath. All that running back and forth. Okay, so empty, good to go. This. I always talk about how all my other ones are buttery smooth, but this one's pretty smooth. This guy, it holds 7 in the tube, 1 in the chamber. I'm gonna try to quad load it like this. I'm gonna fail, watch. Oh, so close. I almost made that look good though. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go for the second to the middle, like on the left side.
Of the cardboard?
In the middle of the cardboard, yeah, the left side.
Okay.
I bought this as is. I didn't put this on here. That's why I bought it. And that blue jug. Get all that extra smoke out of there. Okay, so I did definitely blast it more than once. That side's just the 8.5 inch. You know, I'd almost say that the spread's just about the same. Honestly, let's check out buckshot. Alrighty, putting the buckshot in, sending it. Alrighty, time to go check it out. Oh, so much running. Okay, yeah, so this is where the difference really starts to show. Because the buckshot was all concentrated right there. Right in one spot, whereas this one, it kind of spread a bit. Cool. Difference between a 12.5 inch barrel and an 8.5 inch. Alright, so forgot to send a slug with this, so I'm gonna. Same inch, same 2 3/4 inch slug. And I want to be accurate, so woo! Going for the green plate on the red, I suppose.
Okay, just let me... Yeah, I think you can see it.
Oh, it's just too high. Oh, it's just too high.
Oh, man.
Well, you can imagine what it's going to look like with the cardboard. It's just going to be a big hole. Okay, so, back down on my knees again. I'd like to show you this one. You know, 3 different or multiple different kinds of shotguns. This is my Wolverine-XS.
I'm not gonna howl.
What a breath. It's made by Revolution Armory. This is their logo here. This is one of them ones that breaks in half.
All of yours break in half.
Well, it is weird. So put it in, slap it, and it's good to go like this. You can load it this way, which is definitely a way. And then, if you really wanted to, you can load it this way. You know, regular. Strange setup, isn't it? Anyways, we are good to go. Okay, well. Last round, both hold open. And we're clear. Let's go take a look at that cardboard. So that's the spread on this one. Basically, yeah, it's the exact same thing. Let's send a buck. This is how that one ended up being. Wrecked them. Oh, still got some BBs in there. Oh, I got snow on my boots.
Welcome to Canada.
Yeah, right? Whew. Okay.
How did you get snow in your arm?
Don't ask questions you don't want to know the answer to. I got slugs. Maybe not for days.
I got a shoe.
Alright, I'm gonna go for that jug that's above that green target that I got right there.
Okay.
Send in a slug again. I must have been just above it. Just above it.
With another gun.
Another gun. This is a Canuck Commander, I believe.
It's a Canuck. Quack, quack.
Turkish firearm. This one's Turkish, that one's Turkish. That one's Brazilian, and that one's American. Whew. This is one of my favorite ones. I like skeet shooting with this one.
This is one of my favorite ones.
They're all
too.
my favorite ones. They're all of my favorite ones. You'll see the spread on this when it comes to regular birdshot. And then put a buck in my pocket for later. Woo, safety. Big flint. I'm gonna go for steel plate. Clearing some snow. And that's that with this one for now. We're gonna go for a run first. Getting sweaty. Right? Such a beautiful day. Okay. There's the difference. You can already kind of see it. It's really congested. It's within like 2 feet. The spread's like, it's there. Look, there's a wad. So I'm gonna put some buckshot in. I'm gonna send one at the cardboard, and then I'm gonna send one at that purple target that I missed earlier with the Wolverine.
Got it.
This is my skeet shooting gun.
Gonna go run?
I know I should go for a run. Alright, I'm gonna go for a run. Yeah, they were all focused in that centerpiece on the cardboard there. They did not spread whatsoever. Whew. Okay, so this one, I forgot to shoot the buck at the cardboard. It's actually a lot warmer than the breath makes it seem. Ready? Huh. Exactly how I thought it would go. Straight through.
I could always do. Okay, I was gonna say I can always zoom in.
Oh, for real? Can you like zoom in that far? You totally can. Yeah, that's how far. Yeah, that's the spread right there. Wow. Huh. Alrighty, well, I'm gonna send a 2 3/4 inch slug with this. See if I can't hit one of them steel targets, or even. What should I go for? One of them steel targets or that green jug?
Do the green jug.
Ready?
Yep. Got it.
I love this gun so much. Out of all the shotguns though, this one has to be my favorite because it's like so accurate.
Like #1 favorite or just a part of your
like,
favorites?
That one's #1 favorite for fun. This one's #1 favorite for like doing stuff. I'm gonna go for that steel target. Okay, what I'm gonna do, this is 3-inch birdshot. I haven't actually tried this one yet with any 3-inch. Going for the cardboard. That's ridiculous. Oh, I love guns. I love my shotguns. I love all my guns. If you don't know too much about firearms, I definitely would recommend looking into them a little bit, because if you enjoy slingshots, you would enjoy these things. I want to do like a whole thing where I'm like, please consider liking and subscribing.
He wants to do one more thing.
I want to do one more thing. Regular 2 3/4 inch buckshot. Winning.
Aww.